Russ.
That was a nice question. Agriculture is one of the largest sector in the world that sustain the livelihood of the people by feeding billions of people. Therefore, agriculture must support the production of diversified, stable foods that are rich in minerals and vitamins. Therefore, that can complement the national nutrition priorities and goals. The higher prevalence of micronutrient or protein malnutrition in India, especially the vulnerable groups, the children's, women, and adolescent girls, for iron, zinc, vitamins, and proteins. The agriculture sector to adapt nutritional smart agriculture as soon as possible. Unless we address the malnutrition, is I think difficult to think of the healthy nation. The biofortification is one of the sustainable approach as a food system is a part of the nutritional smart agriculture. Indian economy is largely based on agriculture directly and indirectly. Many population is engaged in that. With a strong agriculture production, procurement, and distribution policies and implementation in the nation, that will lead to the healthy nation. Nutrition smart agriculture is one of those, but that should be aligned with the local needs. Nutrition smart agriculture enhance the market linkages and special price or premium tag to those products which are come from the nutrition smart agriculture. The food production should not only be responsible for the food security, but also should be responsible for the nutritional security in future, especially for the rural and urban poor. CGAR is the largest research for development networks globally, and they can navigate and work with the public private sector across the globe to scale up the nutritional smart agriculture with other technologies. Therefore, in short, it is not only just to celebrate 75th years of independence in India, but also to time to think smartly and adopt the new technologies such as nutrition smart agriculture, inclusive of millets in a public distribution system and midday meal scheme in the school for a healthy nation. Thank you.